Hello, Kipsters, and welcome to the challenge for this week. If you are taking this challenge, it means that you have amazing habits. You have been doing really well in class, and you have finished your personal path on ST Math. So congratulations, and ready for our 7th grade Ready by 7th grade challenge. We're going to do this challenge. I want you to take notes on the challenge paper. Then you're going to have 3 problems that you need to do at your seats. All right, let's check it out. The ratio of girls to boys for the class of 2025 at COA is 7 to 5. If there are 108 6th graders at COA, how many of them are girls? So in 6th grade, we really just understood what a ratio is, like 7 to 5, we can understand that. But in 7th grade, you actually use ratios to solve more complex problems. So I'm really excited to challenge you guys and show you that you can do it. You are super ready for 7th grade. You guys can go up to Miss Robinson and tell them how amazing you're going to do. All right, let's check this out. So this is saying that we have 7 to 5. That is our ratio of girls to boys. We know that with ratios, order matters. So this is our girls, and this is our boys. Okay? So there are 7 girls for every 5 boys. So over here, I'm going to just try to draw this out. I have a G, 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 G. If I check, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 girls to every 5 boys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this represents what it kind of looks like in our grade. Clearly, we have more girls than we have boys. If you ever look at the restroom break, there's usually a ton more girls than there are boys in the line. So we have more girls than boys. We actually have 2 more girls than boys in this scenario. However, we do not just have this many of students in 6th grade. We actually have a ton more. So if we look and we count, we actually have 7 girls to 5 boys, and that represents 12 students, because 7 plus 5 makes 12. But I know that I don't just have 12 students in the grade. I want to have 108. So it's kind of like we're trying to go from 12 to 108. That's like our target number. So what I want us to think about is if the numbers of girls are 7 to 12, because 12 is the total, how can we get this to 108? So I actually can make an equivalent ratio. So 7 to 12 is the total of the ratio, because 7 plus 5 is 12, and 7 represents just the girls, and that needs to be equal to something out of 108 for the total number of students, because that's our total. So my question is, how many 12s could I count by to get to 108? So over here, I can just do 108 divided by 12, or I actually might know what factor of 12 would make 108. So I know in 12, well, it would be a 0, so I'd actually have to count by 12s. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108. So I know there's 9. So that means that 12 groups of 9 is going to get me to 108. So what that means is, like, if this group in Duke, there'd be 7 girls to 5 boys, and then another 7 girls to 5 boys, and another girl, 7 girls to 5 boys. In Michigan, there's 7 girls to 5 boys, 7 girls to 5 boys. So that pattern repeats 9 different times. That pattern repeats 9 different times. So now I can do this and times it by 9, and that's going to get me to 63 girls, which means there are 63 girls out of 108 total children. A cool way that I can check my work, well, I know that there are 7 girls in the grade for every 12 kids, so I can do 5 times 9 to represent the boys. That's a B for boys. 5 times 9 would make 45. And if I add 45 and 63, because that's our ratio of girls to boys, let's check it over here. 63 and 45. If I add those up really quickly, I'm going to get 8 in the ones place, 10 in the tens place, which is going to give me 108, which is the total number of kids in the grade. So that's how we can use ratios to solve more complex problems, which is a 7th grade problem. Thank you for checking out this video. Take your time and rock those problems. If you get all 3 problems correct on Edpuzzle, your name will be added to the 100 list, and you can stay taking our challenging problems each week and really showing that you are ready. Awesome job, Kipsters.